Let me guess, you have been sitting on this business idea for quite some time, and you've been questioning everything: your voice, your vision, your timing. But I see you, I feel you, I hear you. I have gone through the same thing. I'm going through some of the same things, but I'm here to do this with you. I'm here to show you that this actually works. And the crazy part about all this is the first lesson to all of this is not going to be about hustle. It's about healing that mindset that's been holding you back from starting, from showing up, to standing out. No matter how good your logo is, no matter how good your product is, no matter how good your service is, if your mindset is not aligned, your business isn't going to thrive. And listen, most people don't fail in business because they're lazy or their product is not good. They fail because they're scared. They're scared to take the risk. They're scared to take the leap of faith. It's a very common thing to do. It's a very common feeling to have. Scared of starting, scared of being judged, scared that you're gonna fail, scared that when you succeed, what are you gonna do next? What am I gonna do with this success? Does this sound familiar? Here's the thing, fear is very loud, but fear is not your truth. And you don't need to eliminate fear in order to be successful. You just need to know how to navigate it, and you need to know how to act. So before we dive into the branding, the sales, the how to set up the LLC, the how to get that business credit card to write off those business lunches that you've dreamed about, or having commercials or having ads, how to navigate AI, we gotta start with the foundation here. And the foundation is you. Because once you own your mindset, everything becomes possible. I'm so excited to jump in this with you. This is gonna be a journey, and it's not going to be easy, but I have lots of prompts and ways for us to navigate this together. So let's dive in.